Is actor Sanjay Dutt heading to join the Bharatiya Janata Party? Political circles in Maharashtra went into a tizzy after Sanjay Dutt was seen rubbing shoulders with BJP leaders in Maharashtra. His first political outing since his release from prison. He was convicted in the 1993 Mumbai blast case in an arms act case. Sanjay Dutt, who was released from jail in February, made his first public appearance on a BJP platform. He was the chief guest at the Maharashtra Day function organized by the city BJP president Ashish Shelar and other leaders from the state. Sanjay Dutt was convicted for possession of an AK-56 assault rifle during the 1993 Mumbai riots case. So is this just speculation since he attended the Maharashtra Day celebrations yesterday, the 1st of May, or is there more to it? Sister is in the Congress party, father was a union minister of the Congress party, late Sunil Dutt. Will Sanjay Dutt be joining the Bharatiya Janata Party? That still remains to be seen. He officially hasn't confirmed it, but within the BJP, there is some talk that he's inclined to join the BJP. So two pictures you see on your television screen. He's coming out of jail. He salutes the Yarwada jail in Pune, and the second picture is the Maharashtra Day celebrations where he is with BJP leaders. And I want to bring in senior editor Sahil Joshi, who joins us with more on this. Sahil, is this speculation or is there something brewing?
See, currently we can say that it's only a speculation because the function which Sanjay Dutt attended was a function of that of the BJP leader, and also BJP senior leaders from Mumbai like Ashish Shelar, the Mumbai BJP president, was also present for that particular function. But that function was organized by Mohit Kamboj, who is also a BJP leader, plus he is also a personal friend of Sanjay Dutt. So currently Sanjay Dutt, sources close to Sanjay Dutt are only claiming that he went there only because of Mohit Kamboj, and he did say that people should vote for Mohit Kamboj if he contests elections. But politically, we have seen that Sanjay Dutt is not that that cultivated, we can say, because we had seen the 7-8 years before he had also attended function of Sanjay Nirupam when Sanjay Nirupam was contesting election against his own father. At the same time, he had also, even if he was in Samajwadi Party, he refused to campaign against Priya Dutt during Lok Sabha elections when Samajwadi Party candidate was also standing against Priya Dutt at that particular time.
Yes.
So that way he is not that way politically cultivated, and that is the reason why he makes such kind of statements. But right now they're saying that it's not joining BJP. He attended a function of Mohit Kamboj, and yes, it was organized by the BJP leaders. But right now we can just say that it's kind of a speculation that he will be a part of the BJP campaign, or that he's on the BJP stage or not.
Okay, because in the past, in 2012, Sanjay Dutt had said that joining politics was a mistake. He was associated, with political parties. He entered Samajwadi Party, as you were also pointing out. But that time he said it's a big, big mistake. But has he changed that opinion now? What are those close to him saying?
See, currently he had just come out of prison, and he knows that joining politics was a mistake. And he did say in our own in India Today conclave as well that anyone who was trying to tell him that this will help you, he used to get associated with that person. So maybe because of that, he said that I joined politics. But now he is pretty open about it. He has no case about him, so he can freely go and join in any political party. But currently it doesn't look like that he is in a hurry to join any political party or campaign for any political party. But yes, he has campaigned for his friend. Like he said during this particular function, that vote for Mohit Kamboj. Mohit Kamboj is a known local BJP leader.
Yes.
So if he contests for election, then definitely he might campaign for him. But at the same time, he had made it clear even to the Samajwadi Party that he will not campaign against Priya Dutt.
Yes.
So the Congress candidate then, and Samajwadi Party candidate was there against Priya Dutt also.
Okay, Sahil, keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more.